Hey crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I have decided to do an unboxing video of the latest purchases I have made in crafty supplies from the end of last month till now. So I thought I would share the latest new crafty goodies with y'all that I have picked up. So we will move these to the side. I have a couple from scrapbook.com and some from a couple other companies. So we'll start with the scrapbook.com stuff. This was the biggest box that I got. All right, so I picked up, and some of this came from Catherine Pooler. I just stuck it in that box. So I picked up a few things to go along with that, as everything falls. All right, we'll start with this. I picked up some 2x2, 6x8 pocket protectors for I can put my ink swatches in. I decided that's how I'm going to keep those. So I picked up 5 packs of those. They were super cheap. I think they were like under $3 a pack. So super affordable. There's like 10 in the pack. So I picked up those. And then I got the Fall Treats die set from scrapbook.com because I have been wanting this since it came out and never ordered it. So I finally decided to pick that up. I also got, as a freebie for that order, I got the double-sided sticky die storage cards from Totally Tiffany. Again, a freebie. Got this. I think this was a freebie. Also, the layered fir tree. I really don't remember. I can't remember. They have great freebies. I always check their coupons and sale section in the store online and see what the latest freebies are. I know this was a freebie. The small dragonfly from Paper Rose. So I got that. Also from scrapbook.com, I got the mini Hello Dog die set. That was a freebie. I picked up the Nutcracker, what's this called? It's Nutcracker Sweet stamp set. And I also got the coordinating dies because I had picked up some of the other stuff before and then decided I wanted that. So I got that. I also got the Tim Holtz Thinlits. These are the Festive Wreath Thinlits. I also got the Pretty Pink Posh Fall Cupcake, Big Fall Cupcake die set. Picked that up. I picked up the Waffle Flower Round Bookmark die. So I wanted to make some bookmarks. And then to go along with the Catherine Pooler's Nutcracker set, I had picked up this is the Festive Joy Word die. These came from Catherine Pooler, from her website. I don't know why I just didn't get everything at one time. I didn't. I also picked up the Holiday Joy Sentiment Stamp Set. This had lots of sentiments that you can coordinate with that. And then I didn't have anything like these banners. And that was part of that release. These are the Nested Stitched Banner dies. So I picked those up. And then I picked up the coordinating pattern paper. This is the Bring On the Figgy Pudding. So you're going to be seeing all these used coming up for some crisp holiday cards. So this was another package I got from scrapbook.com. And they always package everything in nice cellophane bags. They're really good about packaging their stuff. So I picked up the Echo Park Christmas Joy paper pad. I paid for. And then I got the Paper Rose White Christmas 6x6 paper collection, along with their large Merry Christmas stamp and die and large fancy script layered metal Christmas die. Merry Christmas die. So it has the outline layer and the shadow layer. I also picked up the White Christmas Basics pattern paper collection. I also got the brand new Woodland pattern paper collection from scrapbook.com. Some beautiful new fall patterns. And then I got the White Christmas cut-aparts. These you have to fussy cut. I picked up those from Paper Rose Studio. Also from Paper Rose Studio, I got the Christmas sentiment sheets. And I think you just trim them down. I really don't know. I'll have to see. But it had all kinds of different sentiments in it and strips, so I thought that would be useful for Christmas. And then I got the embossed die cut pieces from that went with the White Christmas gnomes. And these are perforated, so you just pop those out and they're embossed. Whereas these, you have to cut out. So I'll watch TV one night and fussy cut some of those out. But okay, so back to the sentiments. We got Merry Christmas, Christmas blessings, love and hugs. May your Christmas be filled with joy. So all kinds of great little holiday sentiments that you could use. So also these with Merry Christmas, and they do have some full accents, I believe. So I thought that would be fun, this whole collection here, to make some Christmas cards with. That would be a fun video. There's that. And then also with the woodland paper, I got the Enchanted Forest stamp and die set. They came together, which was fun. So I got that. This was a brand new set, and I picked it up as soon as it came out. So there's that. And then let's see, our next bag from scrapbook.com. I like scrapbook.com. Make sure we get everything out. Oh, I forgot the sequin mix for the Catherine Pooler stuff. I did pick that up as well. It was the, however you say that, new Swedish name. I think it's Swedish. But I got those sequins as well with that first order. Then I got the Bear Shaker dice. This was a freebie for that order. They do change their freebies up about twice a week, so always check back. It's usually, I think, on Thursday they change them, and they put a new one out on Monday. So I got that. I got the Simple Stories Snow Pine Lodge Pattern Paper Pack. This was also free with purchase. I think you had to spend $15 to get that for free. I also got the Nutcracker dies from Concord and Ninth, along with the Joyful Season Turnabout stamp. I love turnabout stamps. I think they're so fun. This was a Sizzix purchase. It was free with a $30 order. And you just add them to the cart once you hit those totals. And usually they pop a little banner that says, you've reached this. Add this to your cart. This is called the Labels and Sentiments Stamp and Die Set. So you have thank you, hello, congratulations with sympathy, just for you, with love, good sentiments, and some beautiful embellished pieces that you can layer. Good staple pieces. Got the photo corner, so good, just good little pieces. And then I also got the scrapbook.com medium envelope. That was a freebie. You got one of those. So that was that order. Next, my order for Hello Bluebird came in. I ordered the regular kit for September. Since they're only doing kits now, I had ordered that and it came in over the weekend. And this is the kit. I added this, this tree. It's the tree. I think it's fall trees or it's just trees. I don't remember. Apple tree. I don't remember. This die was an add-on purchase. But this is what came in my kit. I got the Hello Fall Cleanup Crew stamp set, the coordinating dies, and then this die set. I think it's Pumpkin and Gourds die set. They did not put names on these, and it makes me sad. So this was what came in the kit, and I paid like $59. That included shipping for this part of the kit, and then I added on that additional die set. So that was Hello Bluebird September kit, an add-on. And they have they had 3 kits this month. One was a Halloween kit that was special. And then they had the extended kit, which was $100 and something. And then just the basic kit, which was like 50 something. All right, so after that, I had picked up a few stamps that I had been eyeing for a long time from CC Designs. Remove that. I got the little 3x4 stamp set called Acorn Swishy. So I thought that was cute. And this one I had wanted for a long time and it kept selling out. It's the Sisters Stamp and Die Set, because y'all all know, if you follow me, I am a big Hocus Pocus fan. And these were the best stamps I had ever seen of the Hocus Pocus characters. We got Winnie and Sarah and Mary. And there's 2 other stamp sets that coordinates with this that I didn't pick up yet. Yet being the key word. But I finally got that. And I got this stamp because it just made me laugh. It's called Grouchy Pets. You have the 2 cats and the 2 dogs. It was adorable. And then I got the coffee and latte stamp set for some fun fall cards. So I picked those up to add to the collection. And then the last thing I got was I did a little shopping at Tailored Expressions, which I love to shop over there. I just don't do it a lot. I did get the free stamp of the month, which is a little Halloween spider rubber stamp. I got the one last month also. It was a birthday stamp, which I hadn't even opened yet. But that is the stamp for October. You put the little sticker on the back, I guess, or something. I don't really know. But I got that for a freebie. I picked up the Foil Magic shims they have because I saw a video from, I think, Mindy Egan, that said those would really help you with your foiling on your laminator or ink machines. And then I picked up these 2 templates. They're the Happy Half Sheets, and they teach you how to do cards. Just so many, like 4 cards from a half sheet of paper. Some of them do 5. Some of them do mini slim cards. So I thought those would be fun to play with for Christmas coming up. So I got those to try out, and that's how they send all your stuff in your receipt and everything. Comes in an envelope like that. So that was everything that I purchased. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little unboxing video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, stay crafty.